All right, so yeah, I'm working on that. Also, the legs on the chairs, they were rusting, showed signs of rusting. So what I've done is use that, grinded it down. Well, not grind it, but clean them up, and then hit it with some rust reformer. So yeah, then I'll be vacuuming her all up. A bunch of, all things considered, she's pretty clean. So I mean, I gotta get under here, clean all this stuff. All right, so cleaned her up. So the other day I also did the food sender. Big difference. It's not a detail or shampoo. Actually, it's literally just a vacuuming of the interior. But you know, treating this stuff here that they were starting to rust, front and back, both seats. And it's weird because to the floor, underneath there, it's beautiful. It was just the seats themselves that were had that problem.